first topic in Dream Dare Deliver. See, dream तो everybody has dream. सबके सपने हैं. Okay, everybody, now they are hopeless. But if you ask them, the dreams or the aspirations started from a very young age. Daring भी है. क्योंकि अगर नहीं होती तो आप you would not join this webinar, and I believe that when you have the right kind of mentorship, right kind of support, daring comes very easily, such as being a part of this institute, being a part of this community, being a part of a good family. The dare comes easy, and deliver comes with a purpose that मुझे ये करना है, I have to give this even if it is personally inconvenient. But while these are topics, what are the subtopics that lead to it? That is what I have designed for you. So the first is leadership in times of crisis. Because if a dreamer is not a leader, आप नहीं कर सकते. क्योंकि मेरे को एक और सवाल आया है that we have seen some people who have achieved their dreams, okay, but a large chunk of people, this is a question, that a large chunk of people have dreams but they are terribly unsuccessful. Then can you tell us what the difference between the two is? Why some people are able to achieve their dreams and some are not? And the question is how to bridge the gap between what your dream is and what is practically possible. तो वही बात हो रही है, that what are the qualities or what are the steps that will take you, that if this is my dream, then how do I make it possible? Leadership is compulsory for a dreamer. If you cannot be a leader, then dreams are out of your reach always. And today's times, they demand leadership. See, leadership sab mein hai. You are head of the house. If you could be head of somebody, even if you're a housewife, you are handling a few people, you are in the role of leadership. Even if you're a student, you are in the role of leadership. See, leadership is not a title. Leadership is a responsibility that you take कि ये मेरा दायरा है और मैं इसमें अच्छा काम करूंगी या अच्छा काम करूंगा. And especially crisis, it encourages situational leadership. See, बहुत बार ना हम ऐसा सोचते हैं that I'm not given importance, I'm not given responsibility, I want to do so much पर मुझे मौका नहीं मिल रहा. And crisis, the beauty about crisis is वो मौका लेके आता है. That now is the chance. अब दिखाओ आपके पास क्या है. Because everybody is waiting for somebody to do something. You understand? कोई ज़्यादा लोग कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं, वो किसी और की वेट कर रहे हैं. आप वैक्सीन का हल ढूंढिए, आप ये ढूंढिए, and so on and so forth. Okay? So now is the time for you to step up. आज तक जो भी कंप्लेंट्स जारी थी ना, मेरी कोई सुनता नहीं, मेरी तो बात की वैल्यू नहीं है, अब सब सुनने को तैयार है. Everybody is waiting for that brilliant idea that will change the finances, that will change the household, that will change the country, that will change the economy and the society. So speak up. That is the time now, and that is situational leadership. Okay? So, first is this, सबके पास मौका है to stand up to be a leader, and that is the qualification of being a dreamer. Second, if अगर आप खड़े ही हो गए हैं, okay, I will do something about it. Okay, see, even when you have a dream, you have to do something about it. The first quality of a leader, and especially in times of crisis like this, is know the enemy. You must know कि सामने कौन है. That what are you tackling? Problem क्या है? How will you find an answer if you have not understood the problem? It's as simple as that. Okay, तो बहुत टाइम ना people are frustrated, ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है. आज भी if you see, people are creating more problems than solutions. They are going on saying, forwarding information which is not giving any solution, but it's making the problem bigger in the minds. Okay, so leadership, especially if you are a dreamer, demands know the enemy, know the challenges. If you are a dreamer, तो challenges तो आएंगे, पहले उन्हें पहचान तो लीजिए. अभी if we take the argument of the pandemic, okay, Do you know what this pandemic is about? लोग इतनी चर्चा कर रहे हैं about COVID-19, coronavirus. I will test you with just a few questions which are there on the slide. The first question is, what is a virus? मुझे virus का definition बताइए. Define a virus. If you cannot correctly define a virus, you have no business forwarding me any message. You have no business giving me any news. Then tell me, second question, you have to know the problem, know the enemy. That virus, how does it come in the human body? How does it select a host and how does it make house in a host? Then tell me, how does the virus multiply? Then tell me, how does the virus mutate? Did you know a virus is so intelligent? It will get into your system, it will decode and it will start understanding your body. Excuse me, the virus can attack you and kill you because it understands you. But we don't understand the virus. ये कोरोना वायरस तो बाद में आएगा. That is number 7 in my list. Okay, then understand, is your body susceptible to viruses? What is your immunity level? Take a health audit. That are you the person जिसको ये virus लगेगा? What kind of body does the virus need to survive in? फिर जाके you will understand what is coronavirus and what is COVID-19. So people will violate all these steps. उन्हें पहचान नहीं है enemy की. They don't know what they are fighting against. How will we win it? And you know, sometimes while the solution is very technical, I understand handling the virus, handling the pandemic is a very technical thing. But sometimes common sense becomes your savior. Sometimes knowledge becomes your savior. एक common sense भी एक बंदे को बचा देता है. Right? So how can you go ahead and do anything in life? सपने देखना बहुत आसान है, but how can you do anything when you have not confronted the issue, when you have not confronted the problem and understood it? So I give you a task कि when you finish this webinar, you ask these questions to yourself. At least इसमें जैसे ही आपकी education हो जाएगी, आधा घंटा लगेगा. It's not going to take more than that. Ask, finding out from medical sources on the internet these questions. What is a virus? What is a host? How does it multiply? How does it mutate? How is my body susceptible to the virus? And you will not fear the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. Common sense will prevail and you will start helping in solutions. Trust me, but get to that level of leadership. At least you will be able to educate people better. So, situational leadership is that you tackle the problem at hand. So, first is know the enemy. Second is understand I can do something about it, even if it is spreading correct knowledge. Then third, ऐसा भी होता है ना कि हमारा हौसला टूट जाता है, especially like if you see the questions that I have got of people who have written that their salaries have been cut, some people have lost their jobs. Now you say कि आप leadership दिखाओ, अभी आप बड़े बनो. तो कभी कभी हौसला इतना टूटा होता है ना that we only need help. And sometimes we get depressed or we start depressing others. I have had people in organizations. So I was I was doing a webinar for another company. So I had asked for questions ki kya takleef hai or what is in people's minds. So they started saying people are having job cuts, salary cuts and so on and so forth. So I asked the HR and I said, are you all cutting the salaries of people? तो she said no. तो I said पर मेरे को तो सवाल आए हैं कि ये जब सैलरी कट रही है, जॉब जा रहा है तो क्या करना चाहिए? She's saying no, we've not done anything, but these people are being influenced by other people whose salaries are being cut and jobs are being let go of. तो here's the point, being afraid कि ये सोच के उसके साथ हो रहा है तो मेरे साथ भी होगा कल ना परसों is not a great place to be to handle the present or the future. If you find your morale going low, I suggest two things. अगर आपको डर लग रहा है या आपको सच में अगर आपकी सैलरी कट हुई है या जॉब चला गया है तो फिर आप हौसला लेके कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे? See, sometimes the wrong happens and you cannot do anything about it. वो बोलते हैं ना, जब डेजर्ट में तूफान आता है, you can't fight, you can't do anything, you just have to close your eyes and ears and sit low and wait for the storm to pass. तो कई लोगों की हालत अब ऐसी हो गई है that they have been caught in a desert storm, in a sandstorm, and they can't do anything except close their eyes and ears, sit low and let it pass. And you know what? It will pass. But in that time, don't lose hope. See, to keep that spark ignited, I would recommend two things. One is, first you write down, and this is an exercise, and I will put it as a document and send it to you. I'm going to ask you to do a lot of things. See, अभी वो हमने workshop में board तोड़ा था, you know, I get people to walk on fire, I get them to do a lot of things. तो अभी ये internet पे तो आग नहीं लगा सकते हैं हम. So I'm going to ask you to do a few things which will help you only. फिर बाद में मत कहिएगा कि ये motivation खत्म हो गया और अब wife को देख के सब चला गया. Yeah, you, after this my seminar, you take a pen and paper and write these things down. First, remind yourself of the amazing achievements you have done. See, आपकी पूरी लाइफ में ना आपने ज़रूर कहीं ना कहीं सक्सेस पाई है. आपने सोचा था ये कभी नहीं होगा और हो गया. You know, आपने सोचा वो कभी मुझे हाँ नहीं बोलेगी और बोल दिया. आपने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये जॉब मिलेगा और मिल गया. You know, so I want you to write down all your successes. And see, success is not to show somebody. Success is a personal thing. आपके लिए सबसे बड़ी बात ये हो सकती है कि that gentleman became your friend. That could be the biggest highlight for you. कि आपने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि सोनू निगम आपके दोस्त बनेंगे, वो आपके करीबी दोस्त बन गए. That could be a benchmark of success. That you never thought कि आपको first interview में ही job मिल जाएगा. So you write all these successes that you have had in the past. ऐसा होता है ना कि जब कभी बुरा वक्त आता है तो हम अपने आप को फेलियर समझने लगते हैं. We start thinking I'm good for nothing. Don't forget, you have been successful in the past and you can continue to be. और अगर आप थोड़े मेहनती हैं ना तो each success के नीचे 2 points लिखिए, आपने ये कैसे किया. How did you do it? You know, and you will only find your personal formula to success. अगर वो आप पूरा इकट्ठा करें and if you apply it, your bounce back will be faster. Sure, it's a tough time, you can't do anything about it, but it will end. पर जब वो एंड होगा तब आप कौन बनेंगे. तब अगर आपका ही हौसला टूटा हुआ होगा तो ये लॉकडाउन मेंटली कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. You know, so you write that down.